The 9th and 10th Amendments. If you're only going to memorize two, memorize these. The 9th and 10th Amendments work like bookends. The Founding Fathers were really, really smart guys. They had studied the Greeks, the Romans. They had studied just about every democracy that had existed prior to 1776. They understood people. They understood that they were mortal, they understood that they were fallible, and they understood that there were flaws in the Constitution. So they set up to try to close the loopholes. The 9th Amendment, they didn't write really well. It was kind of like the end of the day. They wanted to go home. So they're poorly worded as far as I'm concerned. But the 9th Amendment says the enumeration in the Constitution of certain rights shall not be construed to deny or disparage other rights retained by the people. Enumeration, listing, numbering. Does the Bill of Rights say anything about your right to have children? No. Do you have a right to have children? Yeah. Does the Bill of Rights say anything about the right to travel? No. Do you have a right to travel? Yes. And so the 9th Amendment basically says the Bill of Rights is not a comprehensive list. We don't have enough paper to write down all of the rights that you have. These were just some of the ones that we thought were most important. I don't agree with Alexander Hamilton a lot, but Alexander Hamilton says you really don't want a Bill of Rights. Why would you make a partial list? I know it sounds really, really crazy, but if you write a Bill of Rights, if you put a small modified list and add it to the Constitution, somebody down the line is going to come up with this really crazy idea that the Bill of Rights are the only rights that you have, and if it's not listed in the Bill of Rights, you can't do it. Hypothetical, huh?